In this video, we'll provide 4 methods to remove an owner password from an iPad and start using it normally. Method 1. How to remove iPad lock to owner via iOS Unlock. Step 1. First, you should download and install the latest version of iOS Unlock on the Mac or PC. Then run the software and click on the Screen Unlock option from the module on the screen. Step 2. On the next screen, you should define the aim of using the Screen Lock app. Choose the Bypass Activate Lock option from the list. Step 3. Once you've selected the purpose, you should hit Start to start the unlocking process. Step 4. When you unlock the iPad, in these circumstances, the results will vary depending on whether you're using a GSM or CDMA. There will be no harm when unlocking the iCloud activation lock on a GSM phone. You will use its features fully after it's unlocked. As for the CDMA smartphone, some restrictions will remain on the device. You will not use the phone to make calls or use cellular data. Aside from that, the Apple ID can be utilized across Apple Store and other features. Step 6. After completing the iCloud activation lock bypass procedure, a prompt window will appear. To complete this process and bypass the activation lock on your iOS device, click Done. Step 5. Ensure the device has been jailbroken. To proceed further, you can use the guide on the screen. When you finish the jailbreaking process, you'll get to the progress bar in the next window, which bypasses the activation lock. Method 2. How to bypass iPad lock to owner using iCloud. Step 1. Head to iCloud website with any browser and log into their iCloud account using Apple ID login credentials. Verifying might be required at this point. Step 2. Choose the option for Find iPhone. It's also known as the Find My service because it's yet to be updated. It works for all devices. Step 3. When you get to the map, choose the All Devices option to check all devices logged into Apple. Step 4. In the devices list, choose the iPad to be unlocked and press Erase iPad to proceed. Step 5. From the prompt on the screen, press Erase to confirm. Step 6. Finally, enter the Apple ID and passcode used on iPad and press Enter to continue. Wait as the process finishes and set up the device. Method 3. How to remove iPad lock to owner with DNS Bypass. Step 1. First, you should set up the iPad as a new device and proceed to the Wi-Fi settings screen. Step 2. On the Wi-Fi screen, connect the device to the Wi-Fi network, then click on the eye icon near the network name. Step 3. When on the next screen, click on Configure DNS. Step 4. Now click the manual option on top of the screen and enter the DNS values per your region. For instance, in Europe, you use 104.155. After doing that, your device should unlock immediately. While this approach allows you to access iCloud, DNS bypass and multiple features of your iPad, it does not offer a long-term solution for unlocking the activation lock. However, its benefits still make it an attractive option worth considering. Method 4. How to bypass iPad lock to owner by reaching out to Apple support. If you can't reach the previous owner or have lost contact with them, you can turn to Apple for help. Apple support can also help deactivate the activation lock feature from an iPad, but you should provide proof of the purchase to get assistance from Apple. This should show that you are the rightful owner. For them to properly help you, prepare the necessary documents beforehand. If you recently bought the device, provide a receipt showing your name and serial number. If the bar displays a replacement of its original serial number, provide both serial numbers with all information on the new numbers. If you decide to get help from Apple, it's free and very easy. Best of all, it is quick and free. In addition, if you provide the correct information, the iCloud activation lock on your iPad will be removed with no limitations.